Warning, nothing in this video is real. It is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.
My guy Tony, his birthday. Tony here. Happy birthday, 16th birthday? Yep. Happy birthday, my guy.
Okay. Splat. Pull up in the cab.
Happy birthday, my guy.
We're in Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The
you're
bumper
last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not tradition, Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. With Dab Squatch Films, we are on our way to a private location. My guy Tony, his mom hit me up, said it's his birthday, said we got this private spot. We're having a few cars come out to swing. We'd love to have you. So I was like, shit, let's go. You know, we're on our way to a private location. Gonna meet, I think it's like 10 to 15 different cars and kill some tires. I got brand new tires on here. I got a jug of E85 in the back seat. We're good to go. 10 minutes away, something like that. So we'll be there in a minute. Let's go. It's deep.
I'm looking clean, fool.
Thank you, bro. We're gonna have some fun out here. Private session in Mexico. How are you?
Yeah, you guys gotta post up like that too, you know what I mean?
Alright, got my guy Tony here. Happy birthday, 16th birthday? Yep. Happy birthday, my guy. I don't even remember what I was doing on my 16th birthday. It's a little slippery. Alright, so just killed some tires. Thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much going to be the end of this video. Shout out to Tony and his parents for inviting me out. Happy birthday to Tony. And we're going to have to be back. I'm not going to lie. This place is tight. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. See you in the next video. Those.